Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some FNF. This is my favorite game, as you already know. I am very good at it. What do they say? Last video I destroyed a kid. I literally destroyed a kid. I was even sweating. So, thank you all for 20 subscribers. I'm very grateful. Thank you for subscribers. I wish you keep supporting me so I can continue to make videos. And this might be fun for me. I hope you enjoyed the video because I will. God bless. And before we start, I want you to know that I am very happy to have subscribers. Now enjoy the video, guys.
Three, two, one, go!
It has been established that persons who have recently died have been returning to life and committing acts of murder. Widespread investigation of funerals, morgues, and hospitals has concluded that the unburied dead have been returning to life.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Like and subscribe.